Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of Spitting Brains. So काफ़ी लोग ये पूछ रहे होंगे and even I myself is thinking how am I gonna do this? Or what is this? This is basically something that is no one has ever done. I think a lot of people have done, but this is something which is unique. Basically क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे कि मेरा जैसे काफ़ी लोगों के थॉट्स आते हैं दिमाग में इंक्लूडिंग मी. A lot of thoughts can be random, can be about like how people are walking, can be about how the screen is working, can be about how this mic is over here, can be about anything, and can be some psychological as well. For example, we observe human behavior, right? We observe like this human is walking like this human has a scissor in their hand. They might be really dangerous, or they might be a hair like barber or some like hair artist. So a lot of these things are over in our mind, and I just want to discuss those in real life. It is this like raw conversation. That's why I don't have a script, and if I make a mistake, I'm really, really sorry about that. But this is very, very raw. I'm trying this for for the first time. I'm trying everything raw. Like this is very raw. I have just decided a pre-topic, like what it's gonna be. Like today's topic is like the ugly truths of life, part one, you can call it, because I don't know if I make more like particular this topic video. But yeah, I'm gonna do anything that I think like this is possible to do over here, and I love to do that. So without wasting time, let's get started. So basically, the first point, the first ugly truth of our life is that middle class can't live their dreams. Do you think that? क्या आपको लगता है कि एक मिडिल क्लास का आदमी who earns like a normal wage and saves a little bit amount at the end of the month can live their dreams like any other person? So my answer would be कि yes, they can, but they can't. Might be confusing, right? So basically क्या है कि a lot of people might be thinking ये कैसा आंसर है, but सच्चाई यही है कि middle class can't live their dreams until they have reached a particular threshold which gives them the comfort कि हाँ, now they are eligible for making this happen. For example, let me give an example. So there's a girl from a middle class family who sees like for example who is doing something in her life, like who is competing for NEET. Along with that, she's a really, really great artist, but due to the NEET preparation she can't really focus on his her art. Okay, so but she sees another girl on Instagram or on any other social media who is reaching heights at her age. मतलब अगर समझ लो वो लड़की 16 साल की है, तो द अनदर गर्ल हु इज़ ऑन इंस्टाग्राम रीचिंग हाइट्स इज़ ऑल्सो 16 years old, and she is selling her artistic paintings for around 1 to 2 lakhs. So she thinks, should she pursue this particular NEET preparation thing, or should she what the fuck, should she come back and focus on her art to make it possible? The thing is, that girl who has taken the risk to get there has like taken the risk of very big thing. So a lot of time this doesn't go well in a middle class family, because she might have a good class family and that's why she has took that risk. But as a middle class family person, you can't take that particular kind of risk, and that might be very difficult for you, because if you can't get that risk to be positive for you, you are in a big trouble. So the basic criteria is you have to reach a particular threshold. For example, in this particular case, she has to crack NEET, she has to get a good job or be a good doctor and have a decent amount of stable earning, and then try to think of her dreams. I'm not saying you can't take risk, you can't do side hustle, you can do side hustle. That's a big thing. Right now, I'm doing the side hustle, so you can do that, but focus on focus on getting a stability, focus on getting something, or there should be a threshold through which you have to do anything to get there, and once you get there you can like go on towards your dreams. And I think that's the ugly truth of our life. Like a lot of people get confused, like middle class can't live their dreams because people who have money can take risk towards their life, can take risk and can take risk towards doing something that they really want to do, which might not be fruitful for them eventually. So yeah, that's the ugly truth of our life. The second ugly truth of our life is that no one, like no one, I'm repeating this, no one is unselfish. Everybody is altruistic, whatever you wanna call it. They are unselfish. So they are selfish. Each and everybody is self-centered towards anything. Okay, so let me tell you one thing Chanakya said. I think everyone would might know. He was an Indian a philosopher and a really great person who told that even every intimate relationships are for someone else need. Yes, everybody is self-centered in each and every relationship, each and every thing they do. They need or they do find something for themselves to fulfill their needs, and that something is true. That's the ugly truth of our life, that we are very 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 self-centered. And this is not eventually good, but this is sometimes good, because you came in this life, you will die someday. You even want to live your dreams eventually. A lot of the difference between this thing is that the extent to which you are selfish, it totally depends on how selfish you are in terms of different scenarios. It's just the intensity of selfishness which is different, which can never be zero. So that's the only different thing. And yeah, that's one more ugly truth of our life. Okay, so the next and the final ugly truth of our life is that nobody has the fucking idea of what they are doing. Yes. Nobody has a fucking idea like what they are doing, what they want to do. So, like, if you are like confused in your life, like, what are you doing, how you should do it, or you are trying to get inspired by the people who have achieved that what you want to achieve, so you should know that they might be they might be not knowing what they are doing in their life. They might not know where they want to go. They might not know a lot of things. So they were in the same shoes as yours once when they were trying to start it. But eventually they got their goal, or if they don't. We don't know. But the main thing that I want to tell you, like, if you are confused, it's okay to be confused. It's the process. It's the process to be confused. So even someone who has succeeded in their life, they have succeeded by trying. They were worrying at some point, but eventually they are trying, and one day eventually they succeeded. And there might be a possibility that they are still thinking what they want to do in life, and you should be okay with that. They should be okay with that. There's one particular thing that everyone might or should look up to, that it's drilled in our heads that we have to be certain or confident about things, but that's not true. We don't have to, because life is uncertain. Life can take wherever whenever we want, because you would have seen in this COVID session that nobody knew that a COVID type of like disease will come, and everything will be in shutdown, and the economy will fall, and a lot of other things will happen. But this happened. So focus on being uncertain, unplanned, spontaneous, and live your dreams to the fullest. And don't worry if you are if you are worrying on this thing, it's fine. Like, don't worry about worrying. Okay, if you are worrying, it's totally fine, it's totally okay. You just have to go through this process, and you have to understand, even the successful ones, even the ones who are the pioneers of your field or wherever you want to go, they even had the same thing once in their life. So that's conclude our session of like three ugly truths that I wanted ugly discuss this three ugly truths that I really wanted to discuss today. Hope you like this particular session kind of thing. If you have anything you want to say, any suggestion, anything, just comment down below wherever you are watching this. Along with that, follow me on my social medias: Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. All of these three handles are the Abhay Chopra. Follow me on them, and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.